In this and the following examples, we want to create a simple chat interface, which is going to look like in the picture in the step you've just seen. We're going to start from this file. This is a generic chat interface. Let's just look at it. And it looks like this. There's nothing styled on it. And we've also declared a series of variables which we're going to use during the example, right, for colors in this case. So let's start styling it. So body is going to have no margins. Then the next thing we're going to style is our container, which is going to be the whole interface. And it's going to be display grid, which is going to have a bunch of columns. It's going to actually be two columns, so one for the side part, so it's 30% auto, and three rows, and this is going to be 10% auto, 10%. Now it's time to define our grid template areas, and this is going to be our search, then our chat heading. Then on the next line we're going to have our contacts and our chat messages, and then on the next line contacts is going to continue, and we're going to have our chat input. Now all that's left to do is to allocate each of our components to their respective areas and change their color to their required color. So div chat heading is going to go into a grid area called chat heading. It's going to have a background color, right? And we're going to access our variable with var, and it's a secondary background color. And it's also going to take up all the available space, so height 100%, width 100%. Now as for the rest of our areas, they're really similar, so let's just copy paste it, and we're gonna have, so search, it's actually search bar, let's just call it search bar here as well. Right, so this is going to be also secondary background color and also everything, so the height, the width, etc. Now div.chat is going to go into an area called chat. So this one, we forgot something, it's search bar. So this is going to be on an area called chat. It doesn't need a background color because it's going to be white, and we don't need to specify it. And then we have our contacts. The contacts are also, at least for now, on a white background. And our chat input. Now this one is going to look very much like our search bar. So this goes into contacts, and this is going to select div chat input. It's going to go into an area called chat input. And the last thing to style, so that we get the image, is going to be contact, which is going to be 10 VH in height. Right, so let's just look at what we've obtained. We've got something which semi-nicely arranges, but it doesn't occupy enough of the screen, so we forgot something. So the container should have a height of 100 VH. Let's just align everything. So now, let's see it. We've got what we wanted to get. We'll continue styling this in the next exercises.